Hey, despite war times, we made $733 for the week of March 16th to 20th. Time to do a recap here on a call option selling series. Yeah, so we sold a contract for Coinbase. This is Coinbase week, and at the beginning of the week to open it, strike price 215, and it kind of quickly plummeted. So we closed it out on Wednesday, right before Micron was able to announce earnings. So we took a profit of 340 off Coinbase, shipped it into Micron. Micron had mind-boggling numbers, like very impressive mind-boggling numbers for their revenue, their margins, and everything. But despite all that, their stock could not climb any higher because it's already in stratosphere. So it was nowhere close to the 530. Premiums went down to 3 cents. We were able to buy it back for $3. Took a profit of 237 and shipped it on Thursday to Coinbase, where Coinbase bouncing over 200. I think it was around 204 or something like that. Anyways, yeah, two contracts, strike price 212.5 and 91 cents per contract. So then on Friday, the market is down quite a bit. Coinbase was relatively holding a little bit stronger, but still down. Anyways, yeah, we closed it out for 13 cents and we let it go into expiration. It would have been out of the money. We would have collected everything. But the reason we did this was in case there was an earlier bounce back in the stock market and we can make another play to make one more trade. But no, the NASDAQ just kept going down and it bled more and more and more and more. And yeah, there seems to be some ridiculous comments from the Trump administration about the matters in the Gulf with Iran. Anyways, matters aside, we made $733, and so far these 3 weeks in March have been profitable for us. We're at 2,217. As you can see here, the month of March, we're not done yet. We made 2,217 in the last past year. Depending on the amount, we started with 40K, 50K. The total for last year in this video series, we made $9,970 last year, and that's only starting from somewhere in the middle of February. And right now, it's been 3 months. We had a really good 3 months, I would say, so far. $4,564 in this selling call option video series. February, we had one bad trade. Otherwise, we would be significantly up with a few more $1,000, I think $2,000-$3,000. And yeah, but sometimes that's how it goes. We're still at least definitely significantly in the positive territory, so you gotta be happy about that. 26 for 30 trades, so our win rate is at 86.67%. So yeah, given where we're at, I would say the war is very challenging. I don't really like it. I'd rather have stocks go up, trending upwards and making money off that, both holding it in my buying and selling call series, video series with stocks, and also making money off the premium off selling call options, where you can gap it enough to make money by pocketing the premium. And if it goes into the money, hopefully it's not deep enough where you still make money, or you for naked call option sold, or if you did a cover call, of course you get the gains of the stock. But I'm trying to show you where it doesn't cap you, where there's an opportunity cost if it does go into the money. So anyways, yeah, in this video series we're now doing naked call options. You decide on what you want to play with. My goal is to show you how to make money by trying to pocket the premium completely, if not most of it, or enough to be profitable on it. And yeah, if you do a cover call, obviously you have to worry about the downside of the stock. So it's up to you on what is the situation for you and what is optimal for you. Yeah, that's it for this week, I guess. And then we have one more week in March. This upcoming week, it's going to be, I believe it's a partial week, but yeah, we'll rope it. If there's a day or two, we'll rope it into March to make it 4 weeks, and we'll see where we'll wind up from there. It's going to be a little bit more challenging now that the stock market has gone further down, because what I'm still afraid of, and it's been like this for the past, ever since the war started, that I just worry about things snapping back, and then you get one or two bad trades and it goes into the money and washes all your profits away. So here, I continue to exercise caution and also Coinbase seems to be one of the hotter stocks that we're been using this month. The only thing about Coinbase is, if Bitcoin surges, that can carry it quite up. But I mean, we're paying for that implied volatility, and also the Clarity Act. We're waiting for that to pass, that bill to pass, and so we don't know what the status is, to be honest. I mean, it's between the crypto exchange platforms really and traditional banks, where they're not agreeing to the terms in the bill, and that's quite understandable. But as to what will the outcome be and when will that pass, that could lead to Coinbase popping up. So we do have to be mindful about that, but at the same time, being mindful, and hopefully we're able to make some profits off Coinbase. Other than that, there's not a lot of, there's just only a small handful of stocks that I think that are really nice to pick off these days. So okay, yep, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like it if you do, and I wish you a good weekend, and I'll catch you next trading day.